Welcome to Warder Bowers World. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa WB here in Abu Dhabi. Second day and vacation. So, ayan kung makikita nyo yung loob. So, galing kasi kami, malapit lang kasi kami dito sa WB hotel na pinagtatambayan na pinagtutulugan namin. Tapos, mga 2 minutes to 3 minutes walk lang naman. So, makikita nyo ito sa loob niya. Backpack, ang ganda diba? Ito yung mga stone, mga characters lang naman ito yung meron mga dito. Scooby-Doo, Tom and Jerry, like that. At may mga rides din siya dito. Ayan, kung makita niyo River Adventure. So, susubukan na welcome to the Bedrock. Susubukan natin pupunta sa River Adventure. Pack. Kailangan maranasan din natin ng mga adventure, mga rides here. Siyempre, once in a 1 year. Yani, once in a lifetime, like that. Not lifetime, kasi hindi naman natin alam ang buhay, di ba? At least, so ayan nga tayo sa Welcome to the Bedrock. Nandito nga pala tayo ngayon sa Welcome to the Bedrock. Makikita nyo, ayan, pack. Kasi yan, diba? May mga pa eme silang ganito. Mga ganito lang naman makikita mo, gagalaw sila. Tapos mga site, mga view na magaganda na parang napapanood mo sa television, sa mga movie, like that. So, ayun nga, dito kami sa river, nag-boat kami, yan, like that. So, ano mo yan, at pagkatapos mo na ng panood ang lahat, syempre, aakyat ka dun sa meron kasing akyatan niya, tapos bigla ka ding bababa. It's boat ride din siya, like that. Ayun, kung makikita niyo, di ba, back. Parang nasa television ka lang. Pero ang may pinagkaiba lang, hindi sila talaga totally gumaga at ikaw lang naman ay nanonood sa kanila. See? Office. I don't know what kind of movie this one. I forgot. Tsaka hindi naman kasi ako totally nanonood dito. Kung bata ako kasi nahihirap lang kami. That just it. Pero yun kasi noon, nung kabataan na wala naman to kami ganito. Halos pa, laro-laro lang sa bangketa, laro-laro sa bukid, mga ganong bagay na. Diba? Ayun, kung makita nyo, it's cute, it's fun. Gusto ko rin maranasan ng anak ko to, pero hindi ko alam. Wala mo magawa. Ito talaga ang buhay. Hindi pantay dahil sa pala desisyon natin, mga maling desisyon. Ayun, drama naman ni auntie. So, ayun, kung makita niyo, rock, bahal. Pika Bulaga. Bedrock Bones. Siguro ito yung title niya, Bedrock Bones, ha? I don't know. I don't think so. So, dito tayo sa Tom and Jerry. So, bawal magkuha ng video dito sa Tom and Jerry kasi ang rides niya is mag-roll, roll ka ba? Like that. So, bawal kumuha ng video. Kaya, hindi natin makuha na ng video. So, ito na makuha natin yung bahay ni Tom and Jerry. Yan. Then, ngayon pumunta tayo dito sa Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Pagkakalam mo dito kalimutan ko. Alam ko bawal din ng video dito. Ay, no. It's okay. I know. It's okay.
Go so monsters that something is scaring everyone away.
Don't worry, Professor. We'll investigate this mystery.
Like, leave it to us to run into a haunted museum on our way to the beach.
Let's split up and look for clues.
What a creepy picture. I wonder if these are... Chickies! I think this place might really be haunted.
Like everyone over here, it's the safest.
Quiet, everyone. This way.
With exhibits like that,
There's nothing creepy about that.
wait a second. Go...
Time to say goodbye.
There must be a clue in here. Maybe I can reconnect the power to help find it. Jinkies! I must have pulled the wrong wire. This ought to do it.
Like, we've got to get out of here, man.
Hurry! This way! Who knew sight? My glasses! I can't find my glasses!
What a night for a night. It's behind us. Quiet, Scoob. He'll hear us.
I'm trying, but I'm so hungry. These exhibits are getting too hot. Let's go.
Someone's been using this hall to set traps here, and that swings out from there. Then all we need is the bait!
Nuh-uh. Not me, man. Try asking Scoob.
I'll Scooby-Dooby do it. Lure them into the trap.
Okay, here goes nothing.
Found
the ghost. Now what?
Faster, faster.
I'm going as fast as I can. He's right behind us. I'm gonna need a handful of Scooby snacks after this.
What's Scooby snacks?
Gangway. Watch it.
Sorry, Shaggy.
Maybe if we're quiet, they won't hear us.
Then you'd have to be quiet, Shaggy.
Yeah, Shaggy.
Those ghosts just don't know when to quit.
Don't worry, Dad. Our trap is all ready to go.
Come on, everybody. This way. The trap's all set. Just lure the ghost into position. A little more.
Now, gang. And the villain is...
يرجى الحفاظ على وضعية الجلوس في جميع الأوقات. شكرا.
Exhibit's being haunted.
Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut down the museum.
And I would have gotten away with it too.
Chuk Devi, baby, Minak. Minak. I saw him. Here, Minak, Chuk.
She's girl.
Yeah, girl. Wala, I see him.
She's boy.
Girl.
Yeah, I saw her.
Chuk di mari. You can ride there, madam? Mahari, ya bihada? Oh my god, you're not scared. It's nice, it's fun. Wow.
Donna, before I say that you can take your hand.
Before you go there, Mahari la. You ride there before, no?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You try?
Before there's like that,
Okay.
not for the small, but I like it so much fast. But for the small, not for the big. That's so much fun.
Wallah? At dito na nga magwawakas ang lahat ng ating paggala. Oh my God, sakit sa paa, nakakapagod. Wala that time, oh my God, hindi ko ma-explain yung nangyari talaga sa akin this day. So, alhamdulillah, at naging okay naman, at okay ako, okay tayo lahat like that. Just take a photo. So, kung makikita nyo mga picture na yan is, nahihiya ko siya kung mag-take a photo din kasi nga, dito yung amo ko. So, ang nagpicture lang din naman sa akin yung mga alaga namin. So, nice to meet you here. Yani, good luck. Bye.